What is up everyone, this is Team Developers channel, and in this quick tutorial we are going to fix broken textures or models problem in Apex Legends. So you can apply this method in both Steam and Origin launchers. So before starting this video, if you are new to this channel, just don't forget to subscribe and I start the video without wasting any time. So if you are facing broken textures or model issue after update, then first of all you just need to go to Origin launcher and then follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your issue.